Good afternoon, John here. You can see my little hammer here I've had for years. Handle broke. So I'm using a handle that my grandfather hewed out probably 75, 80 years ago. I've had it hanging in here. I found it down in his shop when he died, and I've had it hanging in my shop. And I made this circle with the compass, and then I roughed it out with a spoke shave, and now I'm finishing. I slide it on, and then where it rubs, it makes a mark, and I tune it in with the rasp. So yeah, sure, I could buy a handle at the hardware store. I don't even know what they're going for. I've never bought one in so long. But I don't know, somehow having a handle that my grandpa hewed out 80 years ago appeals to me. I guess I'm old-fashioned. So, all right, you have a good one. God bless.